Hi, I'm David Steele, and I am going to be your host here at Sneeze It TV. We have some great content. We are social media evangelists. We're going to dissect how companies use social media to locate, to engage, and to motivate their customers. What to do, how to do it. We're all about social media. It's all about being heard. What to tweet, how to post, how to see your audience, how to build your audience. Tell us everything because we're going to tell you everything. This is going to be awesome. We are going to be an amazing YouTube channel, so you have to subscribe. And we're going to show you how we do it so you can do it. This is DIY, do it yourself. If you're obsessed about social media, you're going to want to subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. It's all about being heard. It's all about sneezing it. Achoo! Achoo! It's going to be awesome. It's a wrap. This is going to be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the place you want to be.